Hey, thanks for Ricky Lifestyle 365. I saw this on his YouTube channel, and I want to give him a big shout out because I was doing things the wrong way. I was getting my herbs from my garden, and I was drying them out, and I was putting them in Ziploc bags. Ricky showed me something, and I told him I was going to order it. And here it is. This is the top. This is the brush. You got all your little instruction book and everything here. Nice. Put that to the side. You got your charging port. Put that to the side. And this is your little grinder. Or this is to break down all your herbs after you dry them out. All your herbs and spice, and bottle them up. Again, thank you, Ricky. And this one's going out to you, my brother.